The markets closed mostly lower today. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, September 3rd, 2014. Let's jump right into it. You have the markets in bearish territory, everybody but the Dow, which was up slightly bullish. But the Russell small caps are down 0.62%. The NASDAQ was down about the same. Banks confirming today's move, being off 0.5%. VIX volatility index almost up a full percent. Gold and silver bouncing in bullish territory. Crude oil up 2%. Utilities sector, defensive sector up 0.5%. And taking a look here at the S&P 500, we're just chopping around sideways here. This 2000 mark is a very important mark. Do we stay above it? Do we go below it? What's going to happen? Right now, it looks like we have a lot of downward motion taking place to close out the day on Wednesday. If you look here at the Dow had shot up to previous resistance area, and then people sold into that strength and drove it right back down, which isn't too good of a bullish signal. If you look here at the NASDAQ started off very strong, big gap up, as we expected from yesterday's close. But today we closed way down, giving us a bearish engulfing pattern. And it looks like markets are looking to start going southbound. The Russells looks the same way, start off very strong, big gap up, sold off. Be interesting to see if these moving averages can serve as support. Gold here had a big gap down yesterday, but has a big gap to fill now. We could get some upside potential here in gold. Silver, same thing, big gap here to fill. Could get a fill on silver. Big news today, Apple. Look at this, boom, to the downside. Huge break, man. And here you have a lot of institutions selling it, and this is huge volume, big drop, comes down, closing below the 20-day moving average, stopping at a support level. I was holding Apple, and all of a sudden I saw that in my brokerage account, I saw my stop loss starting to sell Apple, and thought, whoa, let's go check that out. Came over, saw this, unloaded the rest of it, and thought, wow. And I'm just glad because it just continued to nosedive, down 4%. Facebook was off more than 1%. You have GoPro, which I hold, it was up almost 5.5%. Big boom to the upside, huge rally. GoPro is just on fire on big volume to boot. Taser, which I'm holding right now, was off by 4.5%. Ouch. This one closed below the halfway mark, so you have a dark cloud cover on big volume. Really don't like that. I'm going to sit on this for a bit just to see if we can get a bounce, but if not, I'm going to have to unload this. Twitter was off by more than 3%, big engulfing, big volume. Holding this, be looking to get out of this one also on weakness. But I did hedge myself today when the weakness started coming in. So the SRTY is what I am long to hedge myself. Big gap down, run up. I think this has a decent chance of going higher if the markets does decide to drop. So there's your well-rounded educational snapshot of the markets. And go over to the website, a lot of great information here. Don't pass up that information in these 4 quadrants, especially the bottom right quadrant, premium products. That's where you get the good stuff. Take care and safe trading to you.